Everyone has their own dream college, but I feel like they should broaden their scope and their horizon. Like, not only limit yourself to this country. You never know what opportunity you might get into. Russia is it's a country you can adapt to easily. Obviously, the language barrier will be there, but once you overcome that, which is not that difficult to overcome it, it's pretty comfortable. The safety there is nice. I've heard about it and I've done my research about it when I decided to opt for this. So yeah, it seems satisfactory for me, so why not? Hello, my name is Sanchali Sachin Gade. I am 18 years old. I am from Maharashtra, but I live in Delhi. And I'll be attending Tver State Medical University in Russia. This is more of a personal reason. I have lived there prior to opting for these colleges, so maybe because of some personal connection I said let's go for Russia. It's a country you can adapt to easily. Obviously the language barrier will be there, but once you overcome that, which is not that difficult to overcome it, it's pretty comfortable. The safety there is nice. The people are there they're quite warm, they're welcoming. Like, I feel like I didn't feel as homesick as when I was there, because everyone and many people know about us Indians, and there's so many Indian people in Russia, so you automatically adapt there. It's a beautiful country, it's very big, it's very vast, so many places to see. Everyone has their own dream college and wherever they decide to go to, but I feel like they should broaden their scope and their horizon. Like, not only limit yourself to this country, try to apply to colleges everywhere. You never know what opportunity you might get into, and you'll get good exposure. So yes, if you want to stay in India, that's well and good. But if you want to go abroad, I feel like they should not be as scared to do it, because half of the reason they don't go abroad is the fear of living in an unknown country. But I feel like it's very good exposure. It'll help them a lot in the future, not only from education point of view, but also from the experience they'll have. I feel like the satisfaction of having to treat people and make them feel better is one thing. Also, it's just so rewarding to be in this, not only as a doctor but in the healthcare field. It's rewarding to help people and you get a good satisfaction from it as well. Obviously, I'm nervous because when I was with my family, I still had a protective bubble around me. If my father was there, if I needed anything, he would be there beside me. But right now I feel like I have to be independent and figure out my own stuff. But knowing that I have been there, it makes me feel a bit more at ease. But at the end of the day, I had to be independent at some point. So it's both a mixed feeling of excitement and nervousness and anticipation.